Are you a realtor who needs to up your game? Is your lack of organization and process holding you back? I'm Lauren Klein, the Pittsburgh Property Diva, and I will show you how to increase your business and gain clients for life. When my journey started a decade ago, I didn't have a clue. Real estate school did not prepare me for the ups and downs of this business, and the only training I had gave me shady sales techniques. I felt like a faker. I realized that to be successful, I needed my own process, a system to get clients, provide stellar service, and keep them as lifelong referral sources. I also realized that no one, and I mean no one, had a process that I could model. I had to start from scratch. That's why I've decided to share my process with you in one easy seminar. If you are a pre-licensed agent, new or struggling agent, or just need to jumpstart to take your business to the next level, my system is a must. My process is real. There are no subscriptions, memberships, or products to purchase. I will show you my system in one day and help you unlock the secrets to success that have taken me almost 10 years to develop. For more information and to register for my next workshop, follow the link in this post to my website. I'm excited to help you make the most of your real estate career. Your career is worth it, and you deserve it.